Homemade taste, a mother's love in every bite, and the authentic flavor of Andhra tradition that stays in your heart. That is nature-fresh Podilu pickles and sweets, made with natural ingredients and prepared with the highest standards of cleanliness. Each recipe follows traditional homemade methods to bring true family flavor to your home. Avakaya, mango pickle, gongura pickle, and amla pickle. Each jar carries the authentic Andhra taste. Every bite feels like home, capturing the fragrance and spirit of Telugu villages. These pickles are more than just condiments. They are a celebration of heritage and homemade goodness. Our sweets include Ariselu, Putharakulu, Babatlu, and Ladus, bringing festival happiness to your table every day. Crafted with care and tradition, these delicacies delight children and elders alike, offering a pure traditional taste that everyone loves again and again. From family gatherings to everyday meals, Nature Fresh Podilu is about sharing love and warmth. Our Telugu tradition shines through every jar and sweet, carrying the fragrance of our village and the taste of our home. Trusted quality and special taste, prepared with love and carefully delivered right to your doorstep. Nature Fresh Podilu pickles and sweets ensures you enjoy authentic Andhra flavors with your family without compromise. Order now and experience the true taste of homemade love.
Nature Fresh Podi Pickles and Sweets Snacks. Now available on Meesho.com. Traditional homemade pickles, podis, sweets and tasty snacks with authentic Andhra flavor. Fresh quality. Homemade taste. All over India delivery. Please order now on Meesho and subscribe to our channel for more tasty updates and new products.